Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Customer states what here? Customer states, please inspect air conditioning. It is blowing warm. Please check and advise. Well, that unfortunately in this case is the least of their worries. I would be worrying more so about if the vehicle is even gonna stay moving on the road.
Mind your business.
Mind my business? No. Look at this. I'm not supposed to fit a whole freaking arm in the pinch weld of the vehicle. No way.
She's ready to settle down.
She's ready to settle? I don't think she's ready to settle.
Ready to settle down.
She's ready? Yeah. Maybe this side's ready to settle, but let's go a little further. You see this gas tank strap that's struggling at life right now? Oh wait, no, there it is. Yeah, this tank right here, this strap is struggling, but this one has struggled its last struggle. The struggle is real, ladies and gentlemen, and this fuel tank strap is no longer... Oh, it's... Alright, so let's go to the other side. Where... Oh, yeah, look at that. You're not supposed to see into the crevasse of the vehicle. This is... Ooh, look at the size of that flavor chip. Whoa. Oh, it's 2 chips. Oh, wow. So, yeah, if I could... Oh, my God. If I could take this apart with my finger, imagine what I could do with 2 of them. No, I digress. So, this vehicle is not long for the roads in the United States or anywhere in the world. The shaft is not looking good. It's all lumpy and bumpy, and you never want a lumpy and bumpy shaft. What else is going on here? Let's get to the rear suspension. We could see, let's see, is it soft over here? Oh, yeah. It's really soft right there. Oh, we got some foliage, some camouflage. You don't want to see the corrosion through the camouflage. Looks like we may have a broken spring or a spring that is about to break over here. Yeah, but then here's the bigger elephant in the room. There's supposed to be a whole lot more metal right there. And that's actually holding a very critical part to the suspension. We can see that there's a whole lot more meat right here. That's what's missing on the other side. This piece right here, it's still soft, but I took senior ball peen to this right here and it freaking gave way. Wow. Wow, so we're going to inform the customer. They're going to have to sign some paperwork that this vehicle is not safe to drive. We are highly recommending they tow this piece off the property, or we introduce them to the sales department based off of our findings. We are also going to recommend not to fill this gas tank up above a half a tank, because they, not for nothing, they do still have 2 out of the 3 straps, but the 2 out of the 3 straps are definitely struggling. We could see, yeah, we got the flavor chips galore, lumpy and bumpy shaft, busted fuel tank strap here, subframe is all Gougots and Swiss cheese. Brake lines are struggling. You can see they got new oh, they got a brake leak. Look, it's moist. We have found the wet spot. No backing plates. Probably no e-brake operation. How's the other side? Yep, parking brake or has left the chat. So yeah, those rotors are ugly. Backing plates are gone. Let's go up here. Oh, it looks a little better up here. Alright guys, say something positive about this vehicle. Oh, I could say the only positive thing about this vehicle is hopefully, and just hopefully, it'll be off the road. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content, and stay off of the roads if you own a vehicle like this.